In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a shipping zone fast and easy if you're managing an online store through WordPress and using WooCommerce. There might be times when you need to clean up or update your shipping zones. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's get started by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage various aspects of your website. If you're already logged in, you should see the dashboard displayed right when you access your site. This is the foundation of everything you'll do today, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're not already. Next, look for the WooCommerce option on your dashboard. WooCommerce is the engine that powers the e-commerce functionalities of your site, and it's crucial for managing things like products, orders, and of course, shipping zones. Go ahead and click on the WooCommerce label to open the main settings panel. This is where most of your store configurations will take place. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings, you'll see a tab labeled Settings on the menu. Give that a click to proceed further. The Settings tab is like your toolkit, filled with options to tailor your online store to perfectly fit your needs. With the Settings page open, direct your attention to the Shipping tab. Now this is where the heart of today's task lies. Click on Shipping, which will take you to an overview of all your shipping options and configurations. This is the point where you can see all the shipping zones you have already set up. Each zone represents a specific geographical region where you offer certain shipping methods. It's convenient to have sometimes, but it can become cluttered if old zones are no longer in use. Now that you see the layout of your shipping zones, look through the list until you find the one you wish to delete. When you've identified the shipping zone you want to remove, simply click the Delete button next to it. A quick reminder here: deleting a shipping zone is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So before you hit delete, make sure this is indeed the zone you want to remove. Upon confirming the deletion, that specific zone will be removed from your configuration, and there you have it. You've successfully streamlined your shipping zones in just a few simple steps. Keep in mind that managing your shipping zones efficiently can significantly improve your workflow and your customers' shopping experience. By regularly reviewing and updating these zones, you'll ensure that your shipping strategy remains aligned with your business goals. Thanks for tuning in today,